Have you guys ever wondered how to set up Google Search Console? Well, today I'm going to show you how. Alrighty, everyone. Welcome to another how-to episode. Today we will be talking about how to set up Google Search Console so that you can see how you're doing on the Google search engine, where your keywords are ranking, and if you have any problems with the search engine in general that need to be fixed so that you can get better traffic, fix any of those type of problems. Alright guys, this is going to be a short video because fortunately this setup is pretty simple and to the point. So you guys are going to want to just look up Google Search Console on Google, and if you've never done this, you're going to get taken to a page like this. Once again guys, make sure that you are signed in to your Google account, maybe through Gmail or Google Docs or Google Drive or some type of Google product. Just make sure you're signed in so that this works properly. Alright, so you're going to come to this type of screen. You're going to click the Start Now button. And then it's going to take you to a screen like this. Now, they give you two options to set up your Google Search Console and your website. Today we're just going to use the URL prefix. The domain setup is a new way of doing this, but we're not going to worry about that today. So we're just going to come down here. So you're going to want to take the URL of your website. For you guys who watched the previous video on Google Analytics, we are going to use our little life coaching demo site here. And as I mentioned before guys, this site is actually not on the internet. It's just sitting on my local computer, so the URL looks a little weird. But you're going to want to just come up here guys and just copy and paste whatever your URL is. So you're going to come over here, you're going to put your URL here. In my case, I'm going to take my fake URL, put that in here. You're going to again click continue, checking verification. Then you're going to get this verification screen. Now, don't be afraid guys, this is a little complicated looking, but I'm going to show you how you can do this nice and simple. Google give you 4 or 5 different ways of verifying this. Feel free to take whatever path works best for you. Today I'm going to show you guys how to do a couple of them really quick. The main one is using this HTML tag, and you're just going to click that, and Google's going to provide you with this little piece of code. You're going to come down here, you're going to copy this, you're going to jump back over to your WordPress site, jump onto the back end here, and if you guys watched the previous video, we downloaded a plugin called Insert Headers and Footers. It's right here. Insert Headers and Footers. And you're going to want to go to Settings, down to Insert Headers and Footers. And this is a great little plugin if you need to inject pieces of code to do whatever you need to do. So once again, really quick, you're going to come over here, HTML tag, kind of come down here, just copy this little guy. Make sure you get the whole thing. Copy, come over here, scripts in header. You're going to want to make sure it's in the head and not in the footer. And then just save that. Boom. And then typically you would just click verify. And if everything is set up properly, it will say, voila, you've been approved, and it will take you to the Google Search Console home screen. Now, because this website is actually not on the internet, it's not going to say that, but that's basically all you have to do. Now, an alternative way to do this is if you already have Google Analytics set up and it's working. So if you guys watched the last video and it's working properly, you just come down here, and literally click verify, and it should say, voila, you've been approved. It is now working. And typically, guys, I will say that it takes a good 24 to 48 hours to start getting data on your new website, guys. So don't be alarmed if you're not seeing anything right away, but this is kind of what the home screen will look like. It'll take you to something like this with a bunch of options here. We'll probably do another video at some point, guys, explaining exactly what all this means. But you'll start seeing data like this. You'll start getting information on keywords and things that are happening here with queries, pages, and a bunch of other information. But that's about it, guys. So this is the main thing. Easy copy and paste piece of code into your header, save it, give it a little time, and boom, you are now set up with Google Search Console, and you're off to the races. Thank you so much, guys, for watching today's video. If you enjoyed today's video, please give it a like. If you enjoy this type of content in general, please subscribe to the channel to support it. And I will see you guys next time. Bye for now.